Hi all, this is E. It's just after 3 o'clock on the 8th day of March 2016. This zone that I've got is a 30-minute chart. Thought that 94.5, chose that as my line in the sand bull bear zone. Thought that we could possibly test yesterday's low, take that out, then perhaps test that 78 to 75 zone. High odds, make sure you're paid coming into that 78. And any overflow, obviously, that could be a buy zone, and perhaps get a sharp bounce from there was our thinking. This is a chart without any structure on it. It's just bars on the chart. And you can learn a few things just by looking at that, but it's easier to obviously add a few things to make it look a little bit more structured. In this particular chart, one of the things I was looking for today was to see if that 94.5 resistance could hold. That was my expectation. I was up early, had seen the early morning lows, and I felt that we would get some sharp bounces. That's just the way the boys play it. And then the key was, could they jam stops or not? And that's why I said, let's hit them one more time. If you get stopped out on the short side, take a break, take a walk, or take your lunch break, and then give it another shot. And usually I mean, when I say that, in a different time period. Don't take them all at the same time. Give the market some time to digest the moves and get profit-taking swings. Right now we're attacking that 82.5. I said earlier today that this is going to be a key area, 82.5, 83.25. I think it still is, and going forwards, it is something we'll keep an eye on. So anybody that's down here in this neighborhood, make sure you get paid. Got an hour left in the day. I've seen crazy things happen, including 30-point swings in the last half hour. So anything's possible in this business. So if you've had a good day, it's time to protect your profits. Let's take a look at one more chart. This is the Darvas box system that I'm using here, and one of the reasons at 83.25, that's this line right in here, that dividing line. So that 82.5 to 83.25, big idea in my mind for the big boys. Will they try to defend here and jam it back, or is in fact this enough and we continue down into the next box? So I'm going to take them one box at a time. You can see how last week I talked with Mistrade, Matt Davio, and we talked about looking for a short come this week. And while you may have the ideas correct, sometimes your timing is off, or sometimes you still have to play the swings and you get stopped out before you can make anything going with the trade. But my preference was to look for a short. I said so last week. But you can't just assume that you're going to wake up and put a pile of money in your pocket. Some players will play overnight, but I'm not one of them to play without being there to watch it and to monitor it. So on rare occasions like last night, I will be there for the trades. I'm not going to just let it sit and hope everything works out fine. Angel this morning was 80.25 area. Make sure you're paid coming in here. I said I don't want any part of getting caught here end of the day. I may miss a good trade, but that's okay. I've had a good day, and truthfully, fatigue setting in after being up, for quite a while now. And you have to know when to fold them. This is a 30-minute chart that we had looked at earlier, and you can see the tails up here over 91, 92-ish. We can also see the support zone basis, this pink line. And, we've had a hard time cracking through it and then staying under it. Support 2 today, we had it 76, 75, that 77 area. I look at things differently than, say, the average trader who is more schooled in, say, market profile. At my age, it's tough for me to change. I think market profile is a good discipline to learn. But at my age, I'm going to stick with what I know works for me. So those of you looking to add something to your repertoire and want to learn a few things, contact admin at eminywizard.com. That's admin at eminywizard.com. And I thank you for your time and hope posts that I put out there help you a little bit with your trading. Be well and have a great day.